What's up YouTube? Welcome back for one more sneaker unboxing. Today we bought a new sneaker and it is very limited, and we can tell it as a very crazy limited edition by Puma. This is Avanti FENTY by Rihanna. This colorway is Puma aged silver. I love the package. The outer box is very black and we can see FENTY written over here, and we have a Puma logo here. And this is the 360 view of the box. I love the packaging, Chumeshwari box, and of course guys, this is a very limited drop and it is a premium priced sneaker. This is almost costed me 15k, 14,999 in India, and this is one of the limited guys. Let's unbox. Okay, let me open this, and this is what it look inside, guys. So here again we can see the branding inside the box. And what else, guys? We have some dimension of the box over here. You can see the dimension of the box. Guys, this is cool. I love the package. Oh, wow, this smells good, guys. And guys, this is premium, guys. It has a velvety carrying case or carrying bag. Very premium, guys. I love the texture. I love the inner thing also. Very premium. And what it tells: use with care. Color from this accessory may bleed, guys. It may bleed. This is what it's telling me. It may bleed. It's because it's a black color, right? So we should be very careful while washing. So now we can see the butter paper, which is written FENTY all over the paper. Oh, we have two butter papers. One is the branded butter paper and the conventional butter paper. We have an individual package. This one. Oh, wow. I loved it, guys. I loved it. Yummy. Of course, guys, I love sneaker. I love sneaker smells. Of course, guys, I love the new smell of the shoes. Let me show you the 360 view of the shoe. Okay, so we get one more shoe. That's right hand side. This also gets individual wrapped paper. Wow, guys. Yes. And we get a normal paper inserts inside the shoe, and we get the protection for the tongue because it should not get scratched. I love the detailing, guys. This detailing is must. Okay, and let me open this. Oh yeah, the small package. Let me unbox this also. And again, in this shoe also we get a paper. I won't go technically. I'm a lifestyle unboxer, so I'll just show you guys how it looks and I style this. Before me styling this sneaker, let me show you guys the cinematic of this sneaker. In 3, 2, 1 and go! Okay guys, so let me talk about the sneaker. So here we can see the black lace and it almost looks like a aged silver, and we have a beautiful cushioning system here. We can see the branding PUMA. On the tongue we can see two branding. In the bottom we can see the FENTY written over here with the PUMA logo, and here also a big PUMA logo under the tongue, FENTY written on the tongue. Okay guys, and inside we can see the leather finish, and we get the leather padding inside, and this is what the shoe looks, guys. Okay, now it's time for styling, guys. Let me wear this and show you guys how it looks in this outfit. Let's get started. So let me talk about the sizing and comfort of the sneaker. So my true size is UK 8. I have got UK 9. So because this is a little bit like a patented leather, it will squeeze out very fast. It will squeeze out very fast. So what I thought is, if I buy UK 9 rather than going to my true size UK 8, so I can put a shoe degreaser and I can use this so I won't get the squeezing on the shoes, because if it gets squeezed up it looks shit, guys. I don't know, it might look good. Some shoes looks way better in while it got squeezed. For example, Jordan 1s, few are there where if it gets squeezed up it looks amazing, but I don't think so. If patented leather gets squeezed up it looks shit, guys. So I just went with UK 9 so that I can use shoe degreaser, and it's almost like a ½ inch more left out. There are two reasons why did I go for one size up, because my feet is wider and I use shoe degreaser, so that's why I went with UK 9 rather than going with UK 8. So comfort is, of course, it's very good comfort, and I didn't feel much heavy sneaker. It was very comfortable shoes, if I tell, and I love the quality of the product. Only the thing, it is inside also leather. When I'm wearing it, it's a little bit stiff, so that my feet go inside. Because of the leather inside, it's a little bit kind of sticky. It is not as smooth as it slides inside the sneaker. That's the only thing what I felt a little bit odd on that. And of course, guys, this is an amazing sneaker. I love the colorway, I love the silhouette used on this. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. If you guys love this unboxing video, press that like button and please do comment. Do you guys will cop this sneaker or you guys gonna drop it? So just leave your comments, and if you have bought this sneaker, just leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a lot of unboxing video and lot of lifestyle videos. So thank you for watching. Let's catch up with another videos. Till then, until bye bye, take care and sneaker up.